Everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigators, and this is today's market update for January 12, 2021. If you look at the market overall, it's still bullish. This morning they pulled back down a little bit, but overall trend is still bullish as long as they still stay high, low. The market is still in the uptrend. So the SP 500 right now is still trying to push it to the upside. For the Nasdaq, it's also pulled back down this morning, but the buyer stepped back in, so they push it back up again. So the trend is still up. The Russell 2000 is pretty strong, as you can see here. The whole day they continue to make it high to the upside, and the Dow is also pretty strong, as you can see here. They continue to push it to the upside, and the only thing is the Bitcoin is a lot. Couple of days here, you see the Bitcoin hit to the sell zone, and now they continue to push it down to the downside. So probably they have to pull back to this area here before they can stabilize and find a way to push it back up. So the three sectors that we have been followed since the weekend, as you can see that the first sector, the energy sector, is pretty strong. It continue to put up to the upside, and you can see there's a lot of stock in this sector that we show you every day, like CocoaPhillips, Chevron, Devon Energy, right? The Occidental Petroleum Corporation, and even the United States Oil is still doing pretty well. So a lot of oil stock is on the move to the upside. And you can see that another sector very strong, the financial sector, they will continue to push it up to the upside. As you can see that a lot of stock in this sector, like Bank of America, Goldman Sachs, right, or JP Morgan, they continue to put it to the top right now. And another sector that we're talking about is the healthcare. Healthcare have been run up very fast, but today they pull back a little bit, so people take some profit. But a lot of good stock in this sector is still doing well. I don't want to show you like blue. The last couple of days they push it back up to the upside, and you can see that the cyber security, like HACK, this one is still doing pretty well to the upside. As you can see, the last couple of days, the semiconductor sector is still doing extremely strong. As you can see, that Applied Material since last week, the stock is still continue to put it to upside. KLA Corporation, they push it back up. Lam Research, they pulled back down yesterday, they push it back up. Today they go up at another 20 point right there. And Taiwan Semiconductor is also still in the uptrend. Okay, so, and a lot of stock, you can see that renewable energy, clean energy, they are still doing extremely well. Like this stock we highlight for you. And you can see that since last week, and then they will continue to push it up. The last couple of days, they almost more than double the value already. And okay, so this is some of the stuff that we follow every day. That's why we analyze here for you to take a look. And if you are in our live trading room today, so the market, when the market opened at 6:30 at Pacific time, they slam it down. And after that, the step back in. So we got our member to take a long trade here. So for the first 30 minutes, they go up like 12 points. And after that, they pull back, and then they push it back up to the sell zone. And after that, they slam them down to the bigger buy zone. And then they continue to go up after that. So I took a quick trade for myself for day trade. Total net profit for today at $1,679. So this is what we are doing every day in our live trading room. So if you are a member of our Stock Navigators, every day in our live trading room, beside the day trade, we analyze with our member for a lot of stock that have potential to move up, so that we can take a trade and make a bigger profit potential for swing trade. So if you would like to learn how to understand the financial market, how to read the price chart by using modern technical analysis, and then you need to guidance so that you can support you to understand how to read the chart correctly. Please check out our website at stocknavigators.com for more information. Again, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, so every time I have a new video, I can alert you so that you see where the market heading to. And always give me thumb up. All right, so take care. See you in the next video.